You don't have to blend completely like all of them, because I'm going to do just there, because I don't want to cover completely my fusion ink look. Close that. Wipe off my brush. If you don't see me, I will wipe up on the side. And no wipe top coat, everyone. Foxy Luxy, how are you? Thank you, lady, for tuning in tonight. It's so much fun every night. We're having so much fun every night to sharing with you, ladies. This is all for you. Great. I am going to use that one, and this one, and this one. Here, my centerpiece come right on the side. Oh, it looks good. I don't know if I want to do too much of the crystals, though. Might be not. And okay, that's it. I'm gonna do maybe 3. Not a lot. Not because I don't want to, just because I just want some blings on there. But I don't want to take away from the beautiful fusion ink we have right here. And try to put it right between I pick it up some of them. That's about. I think I'm good on that side. Busy? Cameraman said it's all the veins gone. It's okay, we have a ton of them here. But we can't, like today we don't do any crystal at all, so I try to make it up. Sorry everyone, it's just silly. I said, we try to make it up right here. But let me see closer. What did I do? Okay, good. Okay, and hitting. Oh, it's not bad at all. You know what? All the look today, I've never done it before, and I love it. I'm so having fun with you ladies doing it all cool things. Okay. I think I'm cool. All right, let me clear this for 60 seconds. Looks stunning though. I don't know in your end though. My end looks cool. Okay. Those remind me of those feathery masquerade masks. You were right though. It looks cool though. Like live rest, I really like it. It's totally different. Today we did a lot, and you know what? I feel like today I'm like Sarah. I'm really in like spies, you know, from Sarah a lot. Hey, Lily, thanks so much for tuning in. Please share it for me, Lily. It's just for anyone who is like, you know, at home, and this is can be like a few moments of, you know, taking a break from a lot of worry. That will be. I hope you ladies stay really positive. Things will be really much better, but it's always get worse before it gets so much better. So we have to be in the same page and stay tight together, and it will be much better. So hope that live videos every night will really help, you know, your day to be better, and hope you're enjoying it. So let me see, I'm gonna go ahead and double secure my beads by squeezing each time I squeeze. If you see, just a little bit, but usually I would do kind of a little exam first before I even squeeze the precision glues out, because I don't want to overflow, like flooded my crystals. So it's good. I'm going to using a tinted brush again, blend it nicely. Sarah, thank you. I like that Sarah start using a lot of different cool beads and stuff. Maybe tomorrow, no, Monday, tomorrow, Sunday. What, really? Time flies fast. Monday we probably can do a butterflies. Can I see that butterflies, the metal butterflies? Here for 60 seconds. Can I have it in the tray? Just today is the least day that I did everything with no crystals. Well, with some crystals, just few crystals. Ta-da! This is so stunning. A metal butterflies. Maybe a Monday we can do encapsulating with this one. So thin, like you can see on the side. And then I was thinking like this, if you want to make it 3D between your 3D flowers, you know, or you doing it with your 3D crystal, you can using your tweezer and bend them. So they make it like a real butterflies right there. Look at that. Aha. Like that. And I'm going to stand next to the flowers. Here's the final look for this one.